How to fix Slack notification not working. To fix the Slack notification not working error, first of all, go ahead and launch the Slack application on your device. Once you open it, make sure that the notification is also turned on within your system settings. So first of all, let's check the application itself. Once you open it, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. You will find the pause notification option. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and make sure that the notification is on. And also hit backwards and open your device's system settings, or simply locate the Slack application icon. Once you find it, go ahead and long press it, then tap the I option or app info panel, scroll down to the notification panel and make sure that this feature is turned on. Once you do this, you should be now able to receive notifications from the Slack. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.